Hi guys, Robin here with WTI, wanting to talk to you about one of my favorite things, chocolate. So they're actually Hershey HUGS, so I guess you could give hugs and kisses if you wanted to mix it up. But these ones are different to the regular because they have that smooth chocolate filling. So good. Really, a hug is a great way to describe it. You get the little bit of crunch from the outside chocolate and then that smooth filling is absolutely delicious. Let me show you what it looks like when you bite into one. It is wrapped absolutely perfectly like most Hershey Kisses are, and then you do have that detail in the stripe on the outside. So once you bite it, you have that smoother chocolate on the inside. It is so delicious. Serving size is, it says 7 pieces, which is a pretty decent amount. I think that's a nice amount of chocolate for one serving. Has a handy little recipe on the back as well. So if you love giving hugs physically as well as in chocolate form, these are for you. I love them. I would definitely recommend them, and I'm sure you will too. But that's just my point of view.